Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you a soft glam Valentine's Day tutorial. This type of look I would wear if I had like a date, maybe throughout the day. It's very soft, very pink, very girly, and very wearable for the daytime. The first product that I'm going in with is the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. It's a nice and hydrating primer. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation in shade Light Neutral. I really like this foundation. It's quite a full coverage. So I'm just blending that one in with the Beauty Blender and taking it down the neck to just make sure that there's no obvious lines between the color of my face and the color of my neck. And just using the Beauty Blender to blend that all in. The next product that I'm going in with is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in shade Light. This is a great concealer, super full coverage. You can see in the video just how full coverage it is. Blends out super well as well. So once again, just going in with the same beauty sponge and blending the product out. And thumbs up apparently. So the next thing I'm doing is going in with my Pony Cosmetics brow powder. This is in the shade number 2, and I'm just filling in my brows. I'm filling in the brows with a Morphe brush. Just putting the powder through the brows. I more just trace around the outer edges and slightly fill in. And just using more whatever's left on the brush for the inner part of the brow. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do my brows, just let me know. To set the brows, I'm going in with the Givenchy Mr. Brow Groom. That's in the shade Clear. It really, I find it's out of all the brow products that I own, it gives that really nice, super feathery look. And it just lasts all day. So it's definitely a fave. The next thing I'm doing is setting under the eyes. Now I'm just quickly first picking up my Beauty Blender and just making sure that there's no creases under there. And then I'm picking up my, that is my Morphe E49 brush, and just setting under the eyes and just setting the lids. The next product that I'm going in with is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Light, and I'm taking that on my Zoeva 106 powder brush and just setting my face with the powder. I really love the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. It just gives such a beautiful kind of sheen to the face. It's really super long wearing. It doesn't look really powdery or cakey. It's a great powder. So that's the base done. Now the next product that I'm going in with is the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer in Light, and I'm taking that on my Zoeva 128 cheek cream brush. So what I'm doing is I'm just carving out the cheekbones, just adding a little bit of dimension back into the face, and also just hitting the temples as well. I really like this powder. The color is just phenomenal. It works really well on my lighter skin tone, and it's really soft and quite a natural looking powder. Now the blush that I'm going in with next is the NARS blush in Ghoulie. I think that may be the incorrect pronunciation. I'll put it in the description box for you guys. I got this when I become a VIB Rouge member in Sephora in the States. So I'm not sure if you can purchase this full size or if it's a limited edition, I'm not sure. Now I did go in quite heavy handed with the blush, as you could see. So I've just picked back up my powder brush and just went over the top of that just to help diffuse the color in a little bit more. Next, I'm picking up my Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in a palette, and I'm using the number 7 Face Highlighter powder. Such a beautiful highlighter. When I first got this palette, I actually thought, ew, I don't like that. It's super yellowy. But when I put it on, it just looks so different in the pan to how it looks on the face. It just gives off this really, really natural kind of sheen. It just glows so beautiful, kind of that lit from within glow. This has quickly become my new favorite highlighter. And then to just set all those powders down, I'm using the Glam Glow Setter Spray. This one just gives a nice kind of glowy look to the face and just helps set all those powders down. I definitely can't do my makeup without using a setting spray. For my eyes, I'm going in with the Shaaanxo The Remix palette. Now, the first thing I'm doing is picking up the shade Clarity and Buttercup, mixing those together on my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. And as you can just see, I'm just building that color up in the crease, just blending back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And then I'm picking up the shade Glow Baby on the exact same brush again. And then I'm just working that into the crease in the same spot as well. Just blowing off any excess powder before putting it on my eyes to help avoid any fallout. And I just kept dipping in and blending until I got the desired intensity that I'd like. The next color that I'm going in with, once again on the same brush, is Need You. This one's a really, really nice warm chocolate brown. I absolutely love this color. So I'm just kind of taking that into the outer corner and through to the crease again, and just blending and building up color to the intensity that I like. And just to help diffuse all of that out, I've picked up the Morphe M533 just to help blend any harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with the shade Dark Horse on my Zoeva, the 231 Luxe Petite Crease. Now, as you can see, I'm just focusing nice and close to the lash line and slightly taking it into the outer corner. I just wanted to go for a really, really soft look today. I didn't want too much dark color. I just wanted to keep it reasonably light, but by adding that darker tone in there just opens up the eyes a little bit more. So yes, just blending that one out with the 231, and then I just picked back up the Zoeva 228 again just to run over everything. Now I'm going in with mascara. I'm using my favorite Tarte curler and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. And I just had a slight little bit of mascara hit the top of my lids, so I just went back in with that Zoeva brush to get it off. Now, once again, I'm picking back up the Charlotte Tilbury palette and using the shade One Eye Brightener just on the brow bone in the inner corners to lighten everything up, make the eyes appear more open. It's a really, really beautiful shade, nice and light, just really gives a little bit of light in those areas. And I'm sorry, I have no idea what the name of that brush is. I actually got it from eBay about 5 or so years ago, so I'm sorry, I have no idea. Finishing off the look with the lips, going in with my Makeup Forever lip liner. I love this shade. I've been using it quite a lot ever since I picked it up. So just lining the lips with that, and then finishing off the look with the Tarteist glossy lip paint. I have no idea what shade this is in. It come in with a palette, so I'm really sorry about that, but it's just like a really kind of soft pinky purple type of color, very girly, very daytime appropriate. I just thought it tied the look together really, really well. So that's the finished result, guys. So just something nice and soft, very perfect for a daytime date for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Please let me know if you like this style of video, and stay tuned for more videos on my channel.